2020 Toyota Sienna, Braunability side entry handicap wheelchair conversion. This is an XT, extra tall Braunability handicap wheelchair conversion with 42,000 original miles. Super nice, very clean title, clean history. It's a Florida van, no rust whatsoever. It's very nice. Belonged to a local customer of ours. It is a power side entry with kneel down system, XT Braunability. It's very nice and clean inside, nice on the outside. Non-smoker. It does have a Q-lock system on the passenger side that can be moved if it needs to be used. We can help with any adaptive controls, transfer seats, seating options. 43,048 miles, just turned. Big screen, backup camera. Again, fully automatic wheelchair lift. Does come with the Q-straight retractor tie downs as well. Dual power doors. A very nice Toyota. Fully loaded. Again, 43,000 miles. Clean title. No issues. Tires are good. It's been fully maintained. Always well kept and well maintained. Does come with all of the owner's manuals and plenty of service records as well. Does come with the extra seat belt and rear power lift gate. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Been in business 48 years. We're more than happy to help at any time. With only 5-star reviews on Google. Again, we are a Braunability authorized service center and dealer. We do sell these new and used. We have tons of financing options available, and we take anything in trade. This van's really nice and clean. Non-smoker, of course. We can take anything in trade. We can ship to any destination in the world. Just let us know. We have customers all over the world, and we can get it done for you. If you have any questions about hand controls, docking stations, seating options, just let us know. We install and service all of those equipment items as well. We have some of the best techs in the world. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Beautiful van. There's not much to point out. A couple of minor little flaws around the exterior that would be from normal wear and tear, but nothing that jumps out at all. There's no scratches or dents or anything to really look at. If there was, I'd point them out to you, but I don't see anything. Tiny little scratch here in the back tailgate. That is about it. Otherwise, very nice and clean. Feel free to give us a call anytime, 954-561-2499. Again, tires are good, no rust. It's ready to go. We fully service, certified it. This thing is thank you.